Today I'm just here to talk a little bit about our practice section in the Trackman software itself. Now the practice section has 6 areas for you to work on in your game. Now, not always we're just hitting golf balls for the sake of golf balls, or we shouldn't be anyway. We should be providing some random practice, we should be getting some skill-based activities, we should be doing some block training work which is improving our golf swing. But through this exercise we should be able to understand exactly what areas and how you should practice and how you should split this up. So in the 6 areas that we have are the shot analysis, which is what I like to call our maintenance area. This is where we're doing a lot of block training work and really just trying to get the feels and the patterns down and understanding, and we're just looking at numbers to do that. Then we have the range, which sort of takes that next step in, and we start thinking about dispersion patterns in our ball flight a little bit more. So we're really trying to dive in and get the balls landing a little bit closer together and a little bit more consistently in the same sort of spot. We have a really great target practice range, which gives us the ability to start hitting at flags and hitting at pins and replicating what you're doing on the golf course. There's a few other features in there as well, like wind, and you can practice out of rough and get an understanding on how the ball actually reacts out of that. Also, the Performance Center is a great training tool there. It gives us real life situational data back to us. It gives us the information about strokes gained, where you're gaining and losing against, shortly to be handicapped, where you're losing against some of those handicapped peers and where you can really start improving those pieces. There's on-course practice, which is so underutilized. It's replicating what you do on the golf course and actually hitting those real-life shots into greens, over bunkers, and doing different things there. And finally, the test center, which gives us the combine test, which is your standardized skills test. That'll tell you where your strengths and weaknesses are and what you should practice and work on. And the test center gives us the ability to build some of those exercises and drills up. So it's an all-in-one complete system here. It gives you the ability to block practice or block train, which is obviously building your golf swing and getting those movement patterns really good and down pat. It gives us the ability to random practice, which gives us, puts things in more real-life situation, because we're not going to do the same thing over and over again. We're not going to hit the same club every single time and at the same distance. And finally, it gives us our competitive practice, which is a really important step to taking that out onto the golf course and helping you perform and play at the highest level. So if you are unsure about practicing using technology and how our software can help you, book yourself in for a free trial, come in, see how the system works, see how it operates, and help you start performing better and playing better golf.